Mercury contactors are old-school electrical switches, often used for lighting or pumps, but figuring out what exactly they control can be a real headache, especially with messy wiring and hidden cables. So here's the deal. If you spot one of these Mercury contactors near a sump pump or floodlights, it's probably handling loads like pumps, blowers, or outdoor lights. First off, don't freak out about the mercury inside. It's sealed tight and safe as long as you don't mess with it. If you ever decide to replace it, brands like Schneider Electric make solid modern contactors that fit the bill. When tracing wires, remember that older homes often have cables embedded in concrete or walls, so it's tricky to follow them visually. If you're trying to figure out what's powered by it but the wires are a maze, use a circuit tester or consult an electrician for safety. Keep in mind that the heating element inside the enclosure is there to prevent condensation, which is why it might feel warm and also attract rodents. So check for critter damage regularly. Lastly, if you remove a mercury contactor, don't just toss it in the trash. Take it to your local hazardous waste center to handle it properly. One of the biggest mistakes with mercury contactors is assuming they're just old junk and yanking them out without planning. That can release hazardous mercury and mess up your system. Fix this by scheduling a proper disposal through your city's hazardous waste program. Another common issue is not knowing what the contactor actually controls because the wiring is hidden or confusing. Using a circuit breaker finder or hiring a pro electrician can save you from dangerous guesswork. Lastly, ignoring the heating element inside the enclosure can cause moisture problems or rodent infestations, so keep that area clean and check for signs of pests regularly to avoid damage. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the stress of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their services, making the whole process smoother for everyone involved.